Hello everyone, welcome to Softic Mentor, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can put a data in our field and how we can quickly put our data in a field, because usually it takes a lot of time to put one by one information in a single. For example, you have a point shape file and you have multiple points, for example 100 points, and one by one if you put your information in it, it will take a lot of time for you, and there's a quick method I'm going to share today. So first I have added my shapefile which is of Zia Kalun. This is a Kachi Abadi, and I have marked land use of that area. So first I'm going to Zia Kalun. There are two methods, either to press Control T, or either press Control and double click on this one. So this is the shortest method to go to open attribute table. So now you can see the two fields already are there. One is the plot number of each polygon and the second one is the land use pattern. So for example, I want to create a new shapefile in which I am going to name it as a land use, but I wanted to see the land use in a full form. For example, in this case R mean residential, but I wanted to see residential instead of R. So first I am going to create a new field by just going there, and you can see the add field option, and I'm just going to create a new field. Remember, we don't have to put the space there, and this is text form. Okay, I have created my own new field. And now what is the shortest method to save our data? For example, there are these are not in a sequence. First I am going to double click on land use, and you can see these all are now C. Press the first one and the last C. So these all are selected. Now we are going to use field calculator. What is field calculator? Whenever you want to save your data in a multiple points, you can use field calculator and press yes. Now you can see land use equal to. Remember, there are rules for field calculator. First you have to close your data in a inverted commas. If you will not do it, it will not accept it. For example, inverted comma start, and I am going to write this is commercial, and now inverted commas close. So now I will press OK, and you can see it will, after calculating records, this C will become commercial, exactly like I wanted to do. So our task is done. Now the second one, I wanted to convert M into mosque. I will again go to field calculator, and the rules are same. Inverted comma started, and you will write your mosque, and then inverted commas closed, and press OK. So this is mosque. Now the rest are residential. So how we are going to select again? First select the first one by just clicking one time, and go to the last one where the last R is. Just press shift and then select the R. Now it's all selected. Now you can just go to there, press right click there, and you see the field calculator, and now we are going to write residential and inverted commas close. Don't forget to enclose your the data you wanted to enter, because if you will not enclose in a quotation marks or inverted commas, it will not close. So now OK, press OK. This is residential now, and the last one is residential commercial. This is the combination of residential and commercial. So we are going to put now commercial. So now we are going to press OK. So now you have seen the data we have entered is now in a open attribute table. This is the quickest method. You can save your data easily by just using your information. You can even use your plot number, for example, in a sequence wise as well. Now we are going to see open attribute table. Either these are in open attribute table or not. Just double click on that one. You can see the symbology at the left side of field, and now go to categories, and now I am going to mark land use one and uncheck this, add all values. These all I wanted to add, and you can see the last one. First it was just R, C, M and RC. Now it is full residential, commercial and residential, commercial. First I am going to apply this one and you can see the map. This is how we can use open attribute table, and with the help of field calculator you can put your data easily. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe it so that you can receive more notification. In the next video we are going to discuss more. Thank